Hey guys, Spencer from Pocket Knife School reveiw here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Coleman pocket knife set. So, it comes with 2 pocket knives. I'm going to start out with the bigger of the 2 today. So it is very compact. It's kind of like a Swiss Army knife, basically it is. Comes with your basic knife. Bigger of the 2 saws, smaller of the 2 saws, a pair of scissors, and a can opener and a bottle opener. Now going to the other side, there is a corkscrew for opening bottles or whatever, a screwdriver. Now, I'm not going to take these out, but these are all picks, and one downside about this is that they're really hard to get out. So, let me close all that up, and then we'll go to the next one. Knife. The smaller knife. Very, very small. Comes with the knife, small knife, very sharp. Comes with a nail filer, I guess that you could say that is. And just a pair of scissors. I'll pull them out. There, a pair of scissors. And, pair of scissors. So, that's the there you go, that's the Coleman pocket knife set. Thanks.